Coronavirus has spread globally, prompting educational institutions around the world to cancel classes, even shut down campuses. Many universities and corporations aren't ready for such disruption and find themselves struggling with old online learning tools. Today, the biggest barrier of online learning is isolation. Too often, students are learning alone on their computer, watching a pre-recorded video from a professor that they have never spoken with. The virtual campus adapts educational and professional training to create a more immersive online solution. Students engage in live interactions with other students and teachers. They become part of a lifelong community of learners and will continue interacting even after the course is over. Engage in synchronic or asynchronous learning. Either way, you'll always be connected to your community. Attend live sessions. Attend classes. Have hands-on work simulation. Engage private meetings, or even have confidential meetings. At any time, you can go back to your course content, videos, lessons, assignments, all while being connected to the campus, and never miss out on live interactions. Coronavirus is a real threat. We just found a better way to work around it.